नमस्ते बच्चे। आज हम इस वीडियो में लालच बुरी बला है नामक एक पाठ को पढ़ेंगे। तो आइए बच्चे इस पाठ को ध्यान से सुनिए। गुड मॉर्निंग चिल्ड्रन। टुडे इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अ लेसन नेम्ड लालच बुरी बला है। Listen to this lesson carefully and let me explain it to you. लालच बुरी बला है। यूनान एक प्राचीन देश है। बहुत पुराने समय की बात है कि वहाँ एक राजा राज्य करता था जिसका नाम मेदास था। ग्रीस इन हिंदी इट इज कॉल्ड एज यूनान। एक प्राचीन देश है। दैट्स वेरी एंशियंट एंड ओल्ड कंट्री। बहुत पुराने समय की बात है कि वहाँ एक राजा राज्य करता था। There was one king whose name was Midas was ruling that country called Greece. In Hindi we called as Yunan. वह बहुत लालची था। He was very greedy. मिदास मात्र दो चीज़ों को प्रेम करता था। In this world he loved only two things. This king Midas he loved only two things in this world. वे क्या है? उसमें प्रथम सोना। In that the first and foremost thing that he loved was gold. सोना का अर्थ है गोल्ड। और दूसरे स्थान पर उसकी इकलौती पुत्री थी। And in the second place, secondly he loved his own and only daughter. He kept in the second place. First he loved Sona, gold, and secondly he loved his own one and only daughter. उसे सोना एकत्रित करने का बहुत शौक था। He liked to collect more gold. That was his interest. उसका राजकोष स्वर्ण से भरा हुआ था। His treasury was fully filled with gold. Swarna is also gold. उसमें स्वर्ण आभूषण, स्वर्ण मूर्तियाँ, सोने के सिक्के एवं हीरे जवाहरात आदि टून्स कर भरे थे। In his treasury there were heap full of golden ornaments, golden statues, golden coins and as well as diamond jewelries. इतने स्वर्ण से भी उसका मन नहीं भरा। He was not satisfied with so much of gold. वह सोते जागते हर समय सोना प्राप्त करने के सपने देखा करता था। He'll be dreaming, he'll be thinking about the collection of gold. उसका लालच दिनों दिन बढ़ता जा रहा था। His greediness was increasing day by day. So from the lesson, इस पाठ का नाम क्या है? लालच बुरी बला है। लालच का अर्थ है ग्रीड, ग्रीडीनेस, ग्रीडी। बुरी बला है, very bad habit. Being greediness is very bad. That's the name of the lesson. So in this lesson we are going to learn about this king Midas who was very greedy. And because of that what was the result? Let's learn. अब हम तीसरा पंक्ति पढ़ेंगे। Let's move on to the third paragraph. उसे अपने कोषागार की अत्यधिक चिंता रहती थी। He was very much worried about his treasury as his golden jewels and golden ornaments, golden items in his treasury was increasing. The more it increased, the more worry he had. वह प्रातः काल होते ही अपने कोषागार में पहुंच जाता और वहां बैठकर स्वर्ण मुद्राएं गिनने लगता। So what he does, every day early morning he'll get up. He won't even look at his family members. He won't even just greet his own daughter but straight away he'll go to his treasury early in the morning, and you'll sit in one corner and he'll start counting all the golden ornaments, golden statues, golden coins, etc. That was his habit. एक दिन वह स्वर्ण से बनी वस्तुएं गिन रहा था, तभी एक देवदूत वहां आया. Once what happened, while he was counting these golden items in his treasury, there appeared an angel, देवदूत angel. उसने मिदास से कहा, हे राजन, आप तो बहुत धनवान है. That angel appeared in front of this king Midas and told, oh my dear king, you are very rich. Seeing all the ornaments, all the golden items, everything in his treasury, the angel told this king, hey, my dear king, you are very rich, धनवान है. आपके पास तो अपार सोना है. You have limitless gold. मिदास ने मुंह बनाकर कहा, अरे मैं कहाँ धनवान हूँ, मेरे पास कहाँ स्वर्ण भंडार है. काश मुझे कहीं से थोड़ा सोना और मिल जाता. And immediately Midas replied to the angel, oh, where am I a rich person? I don't have any golden storehouse with me. I don't have any golden items, stock of gold items. But I wish I want more gold. And I want to get some more gold. देवदूत राजा से बोला, हे राजन, आपका राजकोष स्वर्ण से भरा हुआ है, फिर भी आपको तृप्ति नहीं है. And immediately the angel replied to this king, my dear king, your treasury is fully filled with golden ornaments, golden statues, golden coins, everything in gold, but still you are not satisfied. अच्छा बताइए, और कितना सोना चाहिए जिसे आप प्रसन्न रह सकें. Okay, come on, tell me, my dear king. How much more gold you want so that you'll be happy? मिदास बोला, मेरी इच्छा है कि मैं जिस वस्तु को स्पर्श करूं वह सोने की बन जाए. And immediately Midas told, my dear angel, I just want all the items to be gold when I touch it. When I touch any items, that should become gold. That's my wish, he said. देवदूत ने कहा, हे राजन, आपकी मनोकामना अवश्य पूरी होगी. Immediately this angel told this king, oh my dear king, definitely your wish will be fulfilled. And many a times even we also long for so many other things, so many items that we really don't want. But still we'll be praying to God, we'll be asking God. God will also won't say no, he will just give us, because he wants to satisfy us. But we are not satisfied. He wants us to be happy, so God sometimes gives something that we ask, which we need, no, we don't require. But after receiving it, he will not deny, God won't deny, he'll just give. And you may not know that the thing that we are asking from God, which is not at all required, will be a harmful thing in future. But just because we are asking God, God will give us, and later on with the same thing that we asked, which we don't need, because of that we will suffer a lot. Then again what we do? We'll again go to God, we'll ask God, Lord, I'm very sorry, I don't want this. Because of my greediness I asked this. We'll ask, no, the same thing happened in this Midas life. He had so many gold items, but still he wanted more. So he asked this Devadut, this angel, I want more gold. Whatever I touch should become gold. So this angel also fulfilled his wish. The angel said, कल सूर्योदय के पश्चात आप जिस वस्तु को स्पर्श करेंगे वह सोने की बन जाएगी. यह सुनकर राजा फूला न समाया. उसने पलट कर देखा तो देवदूत अंतर्धान हो चुका था. And immediately this angel said, my dear king, and from tomorrow onwards, as soon as the sun rises, whatever you touch will become gold. And hearing this, the king Midas, फूला ना समाया, यह सुनकर राजा फूला ना समाया. He could not control his happiness, because from tomorrow onwards whatever he touches will become, whatever is going to touch will become gold. So he'll be the richest person in this world. And immediately this king wanted to thank this angel, so he turned back, but the angel was not there. The angel disappeared. Moving on to the next paragraph. उसे पूर्ण विश्वास था कि उसे दिव्य शक्ति प्राप्त हो चुकी है. प्रसन्नता और उत्सुकतावश वह रात भर सो न सका. And after getting this boon, this king Midas believed that he has got an extraordinary power within him, because whatever he is going to touch will become gold tomorrow. Not all, not by everyone, only what this king alone touch will become gold. So he considered that he got a powerful, holy power that he received from this angel. And because of this happiness and enthusiasm and eagerness, he could not sleep the whole night. He was very much awaiting for the next day to come. अगले दिन प्रातःकाल वह जल्दी उठ गया. And the next day he got up very early in the morning. सूर्योदय की प्रतीक्षा में कमरे की खिड़की के सामने खड़ा हो गया. And he went near the window. He opened his window. He sat near the window. He wanted the sun's rays to come into his room. Only after that, only after the sun rises, only he can touch, and that will become gold, right? जैसे ही सूर्य की प्रथम रश्मि उसके कक्ष में आई, and the very first sun rays fell into his room, वह अपने हाथों को चूमते हुए खुशी से झूमना, and he started to kiss his hands, because that same hand what he's going to touch, the items going to become gold. अचानक उसका हाथ पास में रखी हुई एक कुर्सी से टकरा गया. And suddenly what happened, his hand banged onto a chair that was beside him. उसके हाथ के स्पर्श से कुर्सी सोने की बन गई. And because of the touch of his hand on this chair, that chair became golden chair. अब राजा की प्रसन्नता का ठिकाना ना था. And now this king could not control his happiness, because it's happening. He was very happy. अपने मंत्रियों और परिजनों आदि को बताने के लिए वह दौड़ा उद्यान में पहुंच गया. So he rushed into the garden to meet his ministers and all his family members to tell about this matter. वह जिस पेड़, पौधे, पुष्पों आदि को हाथ से स्पर्श करता वही सोने का बन जाता. So whatever items that he touched, maybe the tree, he touched the flowers, he touched the plants, and etc. All these things became gold. धीरे धीरे पूरा उद्यान हरियाली के स्थान पर सोने का बन गया. And slowly what happened, his garden, which was green earlier, had become golden now, because he touched everything and everything became gold. उसकी आभा से राजा की आंखें चौंधियां गई. And because of the radiance of this gold, his eyes started to shine. He's looking his own garden. Whole garden has become gold. Now he's got golden garden, richest person now. मध्याह्न हो गया. It became noon. राजा के वस्त्र सोने के बन गए. And the king's dress became gold, जिसके वजन से वह चल नहीं पा रहा था. And because of the heaviness of this golden dress, he could not walk. वजन means heaviness, weight. वह भूख प्यास से व्याकुल था. He was restless because of this hunger. He was very hungry. He was very thirsty. He could not move from the palace from the garden to the palace, because the dress was so heavy. His dress became gold. वह राज दरबार में लौट आया. He came back to his palace. Somehow he managed to come to his palace. अपने सिंहासन का अर्थ है सिंहासन means throne. बैठ गया. He sat on his throne. उसने सेवक को बुलाकर आदेश दिया कि वह उसके लिए भोजन का प्रबंध करे. So he called all his soldiers, servants, and said, I'm very hungry, I'm very thirsty, I want to eat something. Please prepare something and set right the dining table, and I want to eat, he said. सेवक राजा के आदेशानुसार अनेक प्रकार के स्वादिष्ट व्यंजन ले आया. And as per the king's order, the servants prepared delicious foods. Whatever the king liked, whatever the king asked, they prepared, and they arranged everything on the dining table and they decorated it. राजा के सामने मेज पर उन्हें सजा दिया. राजा ने जैसे ही मिठाई को स्पर्श किया, वह सोने की चमचमाती मिठाई बन गई. When the king liked to eat or wanted to eat the sweet first, he touched a sweet, that sweet became gold. इस प्रकार थोड़ी ही देर में मेज पर रखे सभी व्यंजन और पकवान सोने के रूप में चमकने लगे. And likewise what happened, whatever items that he touched to eat, everything became gold. राजा झुंझलाते हुए अपने सेवक से बोला, सुनो, यह पानी से भरा गिलास उठाकर मुझे दे दो. And the king started to murmur, he started to grumble. झुंझलाते हुए अपने सेवक, he just called his servants and said, listen, get me a tumbler of water. Let me drink at least water. I'm very thirsty. सेवक ने पानी से भरा गिलास राजा को दिया. So the king and the servant gave a tumbler of water to this king. जैसे ही राजा ने गिलास पकड़ा, वह सोने का बन गया. And as soon as the king touched the glass of tumbler of water, that became gold. राजा के सामने सोने की मेज पर सोने के व्यंजन, सोने की मिठाइयाँ, सोने का पानी, सोने की रोटियाँ, सोने की सब्जियाँ आदि रखी, लेकिन वह भूखा था और प्यास से उसका कंठ सूखा रहा था. Everything was set on the table for the king to eat and drink, and in front of him all the items that he touched to eat had become gold. So all the delicious food items became gold. All the sweets became gold. All the water became gold. The rotiam became gold. Vegetables became gold. Everything, all the items that were kept for him to eat became gold. He had golden food now. But still he is hungry and thirsty. And because of the thirstiness, he could not drink anything, because whatever he touches become gold. And because of that, his throat started to get dried. वह रोने लगा. He started to cry. उसके रोने की आवाज़ सुनकर उसकी लाडली बेटी वहाँ आ पहुँची और अपने पिता की गोद में बैठ गई. And now his own and only daughter saw her father crying for something. So she just, small girl, no, she just came and sat on the father's lap. राजा ने जैसे ही उसे पकड़ा, उसकी प्यारी बेटी सोने की मोती बन गई. यह देखकर वह चीखने लगा. And the king wanted to touch the girl, touch the daughter, hold the daughter, but as soon as he touched her, that child also became gold. Now she became golden statue. Seeing this, the king screamed like anything. He couldn't control this. चीखते चीखते वह धरती पर गिर पड़ा, because he could not eat, he could not drink, and even his daughter became gold. He couldn't bear it, he couldn't tolerate it. He doesn't like gold now, and he's hungry, he's thirsty, he could not eat. And because of this, while screaming, he was so tired and he fell unconscious on the ground. देवदूत छिपकर यह दृश्य देख रहा था. उसके मन में दया का भाव जाग गया. And this angel was seeing all this, hiding himself. And this angel had pity on this king. वह प्रकट हुआ और बोला, उठो राजन, आप दुखी क्यों हैं? And now the angel appeared in front of the king and said, come on, my dear king, get up. Why are you so sad? आपकी मनोकामना पूर्ण हो चुकी है. I fulfilled your wish. You wanted more gold and everything is gold around you. Why are you so sad still? आपके चारों ओर सोना ही सोना है. आंखें खोलकर एक बार तो देखे. Come on, everything around you is gold and only gold. Come on, open your eyes and see that. राजा ने आंखें खोली तो देखा देवदूत उसके सामने खड़ा था. And when the king opened his eyes, there stood the angel in front of him. राजा लड़खड़ाते हुए खड़ा हुआ और हाथ जोड़कर बोला, देवदूत, आप मुझे क्षमा कर दीजिए. And when the king saw the angel in front of him, somehow he managed to get up and joined his hand and said, my dear angel, will you please forgive me? क्षमा कर दीजिए, forgive me. कृपया अपना वरदान वापस ले लीजिए. Please have mercy on me. Have mercy on me and take back the boon that you gave me. मेरी आंखें खुल गई है. My eyes are opened now. अब मुझे सोना नहीं चाहिए. I don't want gold anymore. देवदूत बोला, हे राजन, अब आप ही बताइए कि एक गिलास पानी अधिक मूल्यवान है या फिर चमकता हुआ सोने का गिलास. And the angel replied to the king and said, my dear king, you only asked for more gold. You were not satisfied with what you had. You asked for more gold from me. So I just gave you the boon that whatever you touch will become gold, and that too had happened. But still you are not happy. Now you are telling me take back the boon. Come on, let me ask you a question. Which is very important, tell me, my dear king. Whether a tumbler of water is precious or the shiny golden tumbler is precious. आपकी पुत्री आपको अधिक प्यारी है या फिर सोने की यह मोती. Come on, tell me, which is very precious? Who is very precious? Your own and only daughter, your lovely daughter is precious, or this golden statue of your daughter is precious? Which is precious? Come on, tell me. मिदास ने रुंधे हुए कंठ से कहा, हे देवदूत, मुझे सोना नहीं चाहिए. And now Midas understood everything, and he cried and begged to the angel and said, my dear angel, I don't want gold. My daughter is precious than this golden statue. A tumbler of water is precious than this golden tumbler. I understood. मैं पहले सुखी था. I was very happy. अब मैं समझ चुका हूँ कि सोने के बिना मनुष्य जीवन व्यतीत कर सकता है, परंतु भोजन, जल और प्रियजनों के बिना नहीं. Now I understood, clearly I understood. My dear angel, a person can live without gold. He can live in this world without gold, but he cannot live without food and water. He cannot live without his family members. I understood this. Please forgive me. The king Midas told the angel. देवदूत ने एक पुष्प पानी में भिगोकर राजा को दिया और कहा कि यह पवित्र जल इन सभी वस्तुओं एवं अपनी पुत्री पर छिड़क दो. So how to bring back all these golden items to its earlier things, like his golden garden has to become a green garden. Golden statue of his daughter should become a real daughter person, isn't it? So immediately the angel said, the angel gave him a flower which was dipped in a holy water, and the angel gave it to this king and told to sprinkle on all the items so that it will come back to its original place. First, he sprinkled on the daughter. Then the daughter got back her life. राजा ने जैसे ही उस पुष्प से जल छिड़का, सभी वस्तुएं अपनी पूर्व रूप में आ गई. So when the king sprinkled on all the items that had become gold, and everything came back to its original place. राजा की पुत्री पुनर्जीवित हो गई, and now his daughter got back her life. उसने आंखें खोली और वह अपने पिता के गले लग गई. Now she opened her eyes. The daughter opened her eyes and hugged her father. He touched the child, but still, now this time, the child, his daughter, didn't become a golden statue at all. राजा ने अपने मंत्रियों से कहा. So the king told his ministers, आपने देखा लालच का परिणाम कितना बुरा होता है. He called all his ministers, all the courtiers, and said, did you see the result of being greediness? It's very bad. तभी एक मंत्री बोला, at that time, one of the ministers said, क्षमा करें महाराज, please forgive my dear king. किसी ने सच ही कहा है कि लालच बुरी बला है. Some had told that. I'd already told that greediness, being greedy, is very, very bad. So this is the moral of this lesson. You have so many things in your life. Your parents would have given you so many things. God has given us so many things, but still we are not happy with and content with what we have. Sometimes we ask for more things, which is not at all required. Without satisfaction, we'll ask for more things, and God also will give, but later on you will suffer a lot because of that. And God knows whatever you want, what you don't want, everything God knows. So whatever God gives us in our life, you take it very happily, and so that we can live happily. That is what we learned from this lesson. I hope you understood this lesson, children. And so don't develop this habit of being greedy. Okay, so whatever you have, God would have given you so many dresses. You give it to, offer it to, or give it to some poor people who are in need. God has blessed us with good financially. God would have been blessed. God would have blessed you. Give it to the poor people. Just give them, help them with some money. And you may be having so many dresses. Give to the people, the beggars, and the people, the street people who are wandering on the streets with no shelter and food and no clothes. Offer them, give them. God will bless you. God will give you or bless you abundantly. He'll give the double-fold blessings for you, because God likes that. I hope you understood this lesson, and never be greedy in your life. Lalach buri bala hai. That's all in this video, children. Thank you.